So when flashing a brand new board on a JF8 coin mechanism, you have to have two separate USBs. One for the program, for the validator and the selector, and one for the coin cassette configuration. So first you have to put the software. So you just put it here, install it here in this USB. Click here to go into menu, going down to settings, enter, scroll down to update, enter. Now we're going to do the program, so you just press enter. As you can see, we got the check. Now it's just pause for a second and then continue. Once you flash the program in the JF8, now you have to install the coin configuration on a separate USB. So first thing we do is we insert the USB, go into programming, scroll down to settings, hit enter, scroll down to updates, scroll all the way down to factory settings, enter. Are you sure you want to do this? Yes. Once you have done it, you receive a check. Then you go enter just to double check. You go to settings, information, enter, and there you have it. 01.